Review time! Review 4! Package from China. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Yes, I keep throwing stuff. I like it. So, today's video, we are going to talk about the super wireless game console. Yeah, it's unbelievable. They're still making these clone versions and they're coming newer versions every single year. So I just picked this one up. I just wanted to show you here on the channel what are we going to get. So it already says it's a wireless edition, so it's a Super Famicom clone with wireless controllers. There's not a lot of information on this box, just some basic how to quick set it up. And there is only one downside. Yes, do we see it? Let's see if I can spot if this thing is HDMI. Oh, it is possible this thing comes in HDMI, as you can see here, but I got the AV out. Yeah, still making AV out versions. I have really no clue why. Let me know, do you buy these AV out version or do you prefer HDMI? So let's see what we're going to get. Here we have the system itself. This has USB connections and don't know why, because we're having wireless controllers. So I'm guessing you can use these USB connections if the controllers are broken. Reset, on and off. We're having at the back, we're having micro USB and AV out. This is the tiny version of the headphone jack. Here we have the cables, power supply. I'm not going to use this one. We're having an AV out cable. It's even with mono sound. Let's see how are the controls looking. Oh no, not these again. But you must understand that this thing, I'm guessing it's 8-bit. I'm guessing it's 8-bit. If it's 8-bit, we're only needing an A/B. So most of the time, it's basically having double turbo buttons. We're having a reset. So can this thing be resetted from? Okay, that would be interesting. They can reset it from the controller. That would be very new. So that's something we're going to try out. Let's see. There is no screw inside, so we can open it up. 2 AAA batteries. All right, I'm ready for it. You are? I hope so. Ugh, very flimsy. All right, so when powering up, that's what we're going to get. And yes, it's an 8-bit version again. Oh. So fun fact is that indeed it's a reset. It's a reset button on the controller. So that is pretty cool. That is the first time I've seen it. So the controllers. Yeah, what do I think of it? There are 4. They're not really in D-pad on this thing. Alright, let's scroll through the list. And I can already tell you that they basically used the chip or the games that you can find on a regular 501 multi-game card. So basically they consoleized a 501 multi-game card. What I know of that, there are some pretty decent versions out there. But in general, yeah, it's all more of the same. And they were even so naughty that they are going to, do I already see it? New Hexapod War, they are going to use double games. So I don't know if one of you own these 501 multi-game cards, but now you have a console with wireless controllers. And they work pretty nice. Yes, I'm holding in different positions and so the controllers are not bad at all. Alright, so I'm done with this list. Let's play. Let's see if the shoulder button do something. Oh yeah, they do. Are the turbo buttons? Oh yeah, turbo buttons. And they are horrible. Same for the D-pad, by the way. Ooh, the D-pad is very convenient. Come to me. Yes, do you want to come to me? The signal output is not bad at all. I think they're going to start learning, even if they're using the AV out function, they're going to give a device that has a pretty decent AV out output. But again, they love ripping off the Super NES Famicom. And I know of previous videos, I was reading the comments, a lot of people didn't see my video, they just bought it and figured out when they're getting the system, it's basically a fake SNES. Oh, a shame that happens. And like of the multi-game cards, we have the Mortal Kombat 4, the homebrew game. And this game is so horrible. Yeah, and now something happening. This is so bad. Reset. Yep. Let's go to the next one. Hey, Angry Birds, cool. It's a fun homebrew game. I personally prefer the Plant vs. Zombie. But right, whatever. Next game. Is a Plant vs. Zombie over here? I didn't see it. The Adventure Island Dead. And Dead it. Or whatsoever. It's of course Adventure Island. Alright. Let's play with the shoulder buttons. Can I jump with the shoulder buttons? No, it's horrible. Next one. Oh, no. Let's blow it up. You really need to get used to the D-pad, or basically the 4 buttons. Oh yeah. Non-customers, we don't need to give them the newspaper. But I'm going to smack him through the window. You get newspaper in the window. No, I messed up. You get it in the window? I suck at this game. Yeah, I do. I'm Robocop, yeah, I am a badass. I'm punching everybody in the face. Okay, walking with this thing is basically freaking unplayable if you're used to a D-pad. Turbo button, yeah! There are some weird games on this thing. Bird Week, what is Bird Week? Oh wait, I've seen this before. You need to feed the birds. Yeah. But the question is, of course, what are we going to get inside? So let's open it up, because I am curious. And there are not even rubber feet. They didn't even put the effort of closing the hole. So let's grab a screwdriver. Let's unscrew it, the 4 screws. All right. They are very tight, but I'm going to get them loose. And let's see what we're going to get. Let's lift it up. Alright, so the up shell is just basically 2 plastic buttons. Alright. So this is what we're going to get, people. 2 PCB boards. 2 switches, reset, on and off. You can see the LED. This one connects the USB connections. This is the PCB board also for the USB connections, but the ribbon cable goes to the back. And let's see where we can find some information about the chip. But there are basically a couple of chips. One for AV out and the other one is for containing the ROMs, or basically the multi-game card. So yeah, that's what's inside. Let's put it back together. Oh, this is really bad. Alright. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the 501 8-bit Super Famicom. Yeah, the clone version, they still using these Super Famicom casings. It's very confusing for the people who don't know what they're going to get. And most of the time it will end in disappointment. If you look at the controller, yeah, it's wireless. Finally, they have a reset button. So, whoa, that took them 3 years to realize that. But the D-pad, they messed it up at the same time. So the controllers, yeah, again, misleading. And the games itself, I must say, it's a mixed collection, 501, not of the best collections, but this is what you're going to get with all of these Famicom clones most of the time. Mixed of good games, naughty games, homebrew game, bad games, all of them. The image quality is not bad at all, I must say that. They improved the image quality if you look at the previous models. So, but nevertheless, let me know what you think of this. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell and become one of the Wicked family. And hope to see you in the next video.